In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a calendar to Hostinger using a Google Calendar embed. By the end, you'll have a fully functional calendar displayed right on your website, so visitors can easily see your events, availability, or schedule without leaving your site. We'll start inside Google Calendar. Open your Google Calendar in a browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of your calendars. Choose the calendar you want to display on your website. This might be a work calendar, a bookings calendar, or a dedicated events calendar you've set up just for your site. Next, you need to access that calendar's specific settings. Find your chosen calendar in the list and open its settings page. In the settings, look for a section called Integrate Calendar. This is where Google provides different ways to share or embed your calendar outside of the Google Calendar interface. Within the Integrate Calendar section, you'll see an option labeled Embed Code. This is usually a block of code that starts with the word iframe and is wrapped in angle brackets. This iframe code is what allows your calendar to appear directly on your Hostinger website. Carefully select and copy all of that embed code. Make sure you copy the entire snippet so that the calendar displays correctly later. Before you leave Google Calendar, it's a good idea to quickly check your sharing settings for that calendar. If you want your website visitors to see your events, the calendar needs to be shared appropriately, often with public access or at least accessible to anyone with the link, depending on your needs. Adjust those settings now so you don't run into issues where the calendar appears blank on your site. Once you have the embed code copied, head over to your Hostinger website editor. Open the page where you want the calendar to appear. This might be a dedicated events page, a bookings page, or even your home page if you want the calendar front and center. Inside the editor, look for the option to add a new element. You should see a button or icon labeled Add Element. Click that to open the list of available elements you can place on your page. From that list, find the element specifically designed for custom or embed code. It may be called embed code or something similar. Click and drag the embed code element onto your page and drop it in the section where you'd like the calendar to appear. Take a moment to position it where it makes the most sense visually, such as beneath a short description of what the calendar is for. Now click on the element you just added. You should see an option that says Enter Code. Select that and a code editor or input box will open. Paste the iframe code you copied earlier from Google Calendar into this box. Double check that the entire code snippet is there and hasn't been cut off. When you're ready, confirm by clicking the button labeled Embed Code or the equivalent action to apply your changes. The editor should then load a preview of your Google Calendar right on the page. Finally, save or publish your page so the embedded calendar is live and visible to your visitors.